Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and getting your audio device into pairing mode. First, check your Samsung model supports Bluetooth under Settings Sound. Some older models need a dongle. Once done, power on the TV and the headset or speaker and make sure it's in pairing mode so the TV can detect it. Keep the device close, within 3 to 10 meters, to avoid signal drop. Now grab the remote and follow to the sound menu to start the actual pairing process. Now you'll complete the more detailed steps inside the TV menus. Using your remote, go to Settings Sound Output, then choose Bluetooth speaker list so the TV scans. When your device appears, select it. If a PIN appears, enter or confirm it. Many devices use 0000. Make sure to change audio format or enable audio sync in expert or additional settings to prevent lip sync or codec mismatch. Once paired, you'll see a confirmation on screen, and audio should route to the device. Finish by testing playback. Play a clip and adjust TV and device volume to match. If audio is delayed, enable audio sync controls. If it's too quiet, check both device and TV volume and any equalizer settings. To disconnect, return to Settings Sound Output and pick TV speaker or turn Bluetooth off. If pairing fails, restart both units, delete the device from the TV's Bluetooth list, and repair. If problems persist, update firmware or consider a Samsung-approved Bluetooth dongle as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.